Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars and our latest video for this BMW 4 Series. This is a 420 diesel Sport Coupe, 2 litre diesel, 8-speed automatic. Car was first registered 16th of January 2015 on a 64 registration. 2 former keepers from new. The car is finished in Black Sapphire metallic with ivory Dakota leather. Having covered just over 66,000 miles, comprehensive service history. Last service was done March 23, where it had a service, MOT, replacement tyre and brand new Brembo front brake discs and pads. MOT is valid through until the 1st of March 2024 with no advisories. It's a Euro 6 diesel engine producing 180 brake horsepower. Manufacturer's claimed average MPG of 61 to the gallon, so it's compliant with all the ultra low emission zones. As with the exterior of this BMW, likewise the interior is in good condition for its age and mileage. No unpleasant odours, no rips or tears to the interior. Say ivory Dakota leather. Both front seats are heated. Standard specification includes satellite navigation, front and rear parking sensors, electric front windows, electric heated wing mirrors, AM/FM radio, DAB radio, CD player, auxiliary and USB inputs with Bluetooth connectivity for phone, as well as Bluetooth music streaming. Automatic windscreen wipers, privacy glass and automatic headlights also make up is very nice level of specification on this BMW. This 4 Series is now fully prepared for sale and ready to be driven away the same day as viewing. It's motor check clear, so there is no outstanding finance and the vehicle's not been involved in any insurance total loss claims. It will be supplied with both remote control keys, set of tailored carpet mats, locking wheel bolts present. Thank you for watching this latest video, and should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch, or alternatively do visit our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you will find full information regarding warranties on offer, part exchange form, customer testimonials, as well as our interactive finance calculator, giving you the ability to apply for a low rate loan online in seconds. Thank you for watching this video.